Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power basics. Confirm the charger's voltage and amperage match the Chromebook label so you don't underpower or overload it. Next, inspect the cable, connector, and USB-C port for bent pins, frays, or lint. A flashlight helps. Once done, plug into a different wall outlet and, if available, a known good charger to isolate the adapter. Make sure the light on the charger or Chromebook responds. That tells you whether to continue troubleshooting the device itself. Now move into diagnostic steps that reveal the underlying issue. First, power cycle the device. Hold power for 10-15 seconds to clear transient faults, then reconnect the charger. This can reinitialize charging circuits. If you know how and the Chromebook is fully powered down, reset accessible components and peripheral connectors to rule out poor contacts. Then check battery percentage and health in settings or use Crash to read battery data. That information tells you whether the battery. Finish by applying targeted fixes. Perform an EC or BIOS reset using the model-specific key combo or hardware reset pin to restore charging logic. If diagnostics showed the charger or battery failing, replace that component with the correct spec part. Using mismatched adapters causes repeated issues. Once replaced, confirm charging behavior over 30 minutes. If it still won't charge, make sure to document the tests you ran and contact professional repair or OEM support. This speeds diagnosis and prevents unnecessary parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.